Okay, let's go check our plums. Well, I'm going to check my plums. I don't know what everybody else is checking. They look great. Look, they're doing their thing. Getting all caramelized on the bottom. All toasty on the top. So, it didn't toast up enough. So, I'm going to give it a dark because I want it to complete the toasting process. They're already soft and mushy on the bottom. I like that. But I want it to be toasty on the top. So it can be like a little... I want it top toasty and bottom soft. So it can actually taste like somewhat of a sweet and savory dessert. And don't forget the macaroons are in there and they're already sweetened. So that's why I only used a little bit of brown sugar. I literally use like the amount of water that's in this cup of brown sugar. And a few sprinkles of cinnamon mixed in with butter. And this is going to be so delicious. Now remember, this is stone fruit, and even though it's small, it still needs that time to cook. And so what I'm going to do, because I do want it toasty and I want it to hurry up, and I want to be able to unplug the toaster and sit down, is the last few minutes I'm going to toast it on 400. Because I want it to just toast up on the top. Because I want that macaroon to redo the crunchiness. Not crunchy, but like to reconfigure a little bit with the cheese and the brown sugar and the cinnamon. That little one is shaking over there in the corner. Look, I'm gonna show you. See if I can hold it still. That's nice. And I wanted it kind of blistery. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm dropping that back down to 350. And now I'm going to unplug. And I'm just going to let it hang out. And when I get ready to try it, everything together, I will. And I'll make a plate and see what it tastes like. But I wanted the same cheese that was in the lasagna, because I wanted to see if that was going to taste a little bit better than the mascarpone cheese. Mascarpone is a little bit sweeter. Ricardo has a little bit more of a nutty taste. So that's what I like about it.